Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable DND mode on Motorola phone. So friends, you want to use DND mode means guys do not disturb. So how to enable on Motorola mobile? Today friends I will tell you in this video. Friends, open your phone setting to enable DND mode. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. You can scroll it and when click on sound setting. Friends, you can see sound setting, phone ringtone, notification ringtone, alarm ringtone guys. You can set from here. Volume adjustment guys, you can increase your phone volume and you can decrease left side, increase right side. Friends, you can see vibrate for call. Friends, you want to on your vibrate for call setting. Always vibrate, vibrate first time. So guys, you can on your vibrate for call setting from here. So friends, click on do not disturb, click here. Friends, you want to on do not disturb, friends you can on from here. After on guys, you can see do not disturb icon will show on status bar. As you can see only get notified by important people and app. Friends, you can silent app and you can silent app, you can select from here guys. So with this app and people will not interrupt you guys. So like that guys, you can enable and you can use do not disturb setting on your Motorola phone. And guys, you can see this icon will show do not disturb mode is enabled. And guys, you want to remove this icon, so guys you will have to off your do not disturb guys. This icon will remove on your status bar. And guys, you can enable your DND mode with shortcut setting guys. Click on phone setting, search here guys do setting and not disturb. Friends, you can see do not disturb guys. We will click here direct. Friends, you can enable and you can use your do not disturb. You don't want to use guys, click here do not disturb will disable means off. So like that guys, we can use this do not disturb setting on Motorola phone. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.